The wild part about the bogeyman isn't the legend itself, but how your brain reacts to it, as if it were real. But that happens because your amygdala fires during imagined threats, almost the same way it does during real danger, which means a story in the dark can trigger the same survival circuits as an actual predator. So researchers studying fear responses found that kids and adults show spikes in heart rate just from picturing a threatening figure, which means the bogeyman works not because he exists, but because your brain can't tell the difference fast enough. And that's why a simple tale can still make your pulse jump, so tap like or comment if you want more brain-bending stories like this.